Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best rolling kitchen carts that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Winsome Wood Single Drawer Kitchen Cabinet Storage Cart. With a genius helper like the Winsome Wood Single Drawer Kitchen Cart, you will get your kitchen organized, giving you peace of mind at your next part. Having been crafted from solid beech wood, this model will ensure that you get a service you can depend on for a long time. The unit also comes with casters that offer you with mobility, while the pull-out drawer gives you with ample space for storing your accessories. Besides, this unit also offers you with a roomy top counter for preparing your food and an easy-to-access side rail. You will also love the superior design that will suit most decor thanks to the large accented handles and plenty of storage that ensures convenience no matter how cramped or busy you are preparing your meals. At number 4. Origami Foldable Kitchen Island Cart. Let's face it, most of us do not have the luxury of plenty of counter space in our kitchen. However, you can say goodbye to the hassle of storing your kitchen accessories when you purchase this kitchen cart. This unit comes with plenty of storage that helps you to hold your kitchen gadgets, ingredients, as well as accessories, allowing you to prepare your meals effortlessly. Thanks to the foldable design, you can easily tuck it away when you do not need it and take it out when you are having a party or Thanksgiving together with your family. Besides being constructed with food-grade materials, the unit also retains a sturdy and durable construction that will last for many years to come. At number 3. Whitmore Supreme Microwave Cart. For more than 70 years, the Whitmore brand has been offering offices and homes with simple yet versatile organization systems. Driven by the urge to make their clients' life easy, this kitchen cart comes with a versatile design that you will love. The model comes with locking wheels, making it easy to move from one place to the other. It also comes with accessory hooks and pull-out shelves, making it easy to store your accessories while keeping them easily accessible. For enhanced durability, this unit comes with a steel frame that ensures not only durability but also stability. The top is not only made from a hardy wood but also natural hardwood that can be used for food preparation. At number 2. Winsome Anthony Kitchen. The Anthony Kitchen Cart with stainless steel top gives your kitchen a modern touch and packs a handful of functionality into a single cart. The top drawer allows you to store kitchen utensils, and the satin nickel finish provides is aesthetically pleasing. Serve your meals on the removable tray and easily fit 5 wine bottles on the wine rack. The bottom shelf can hold additional wine glasses or other dishware that may need a place to store. The cart comes with 2 locking wheels to keep it in place. The cart is made of solid and composite wood in black finish and stainless steel. Finally, at number 1. Sauder Iron City MultiPurpose Cart. Industrial-inspired style that can roll with you. Add unique design and beauty to any room in your home with this multi-purpose cart from the Iron City collection. This industrial rolling cart features 3 spacious open shelves that are ideal for storing and displaying an array of different items like your favorite novels, refreshing beverages, decorative plants, or some yummy snacks. The possibilities are endless. The 2 sturdy, 1-inch thick shelves feature a checked oak finish that stands out and adds beautiful rustic style to any room. The lower shelf features a unique metal pipe design that gives it its one-of-a-kind charm. This bar cart includes casters for mobility so it roll wherever the party takes it. It also includes 2 locking casters to keep it safely in one spot. This wood and metal bar cart features a textured, powder-coated metal pipe frame and is finished on all sides so it'll look great no matter where it stands in your home. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.